topic is all about describing rotational quantities using vectors. So when we say rotational quantities, it is just rotational quantities like angular velocity, angular displacement, and tangential. So mag-rotate na siya to rotation means movement around the center of axis. So we have angular displacement. So when we say angular displacement, it is the symbol generally used for angular displacement is theta, pronounced as theta. So it is swept by the radius of a circle that points to a rotating object. So look at the circle here. Look at the circle here. Below, and assume it's rotating about its middle to the axis of the circle rotates counterclockwise. So, So the base of the circle reaches point B. So, Ariel starts sa A, sa point A, then pabalik, So, tukod sa point B. So the point traveled a distance of S along the circumference and sweeps out an angle theta. We can also say that theta substance and there is a arc. So ang tawag ng S is arc of length. Note that the points A and B are always at the same distance. So ang R is the radians from the axis of rotation. So manisya. Then we will now define the angle of rotation theta as the ratio of kanang ratio aning S or the arc length. So radius of the circle, we call this angle of rotation or theta. So man siya ang kanang displacement sa imong circle. So we denote angular displacement as theta and symbol man siya. Kani. Theta equals S over R. So this S is called arc length and this R is the radians. So, kibali, this is the angle of rotation. Mani ang angle sa pag-rotate, this is the radians and arc length. Then, ang S is the arc length and this is the radius. So, angular displacement is unitless since it's the ratio of two distance, but we will say that the angular displacement is measured in radians. We know degrees, and we know that when a point on a circle rotates and comes back to the same point, it has performed one revolution. So, let us point from A and rotate until mabalik na sa point A. Then, what distance was discovered? How many degrees were swept by this full rotation? The point move around the entire circumference is traveled 2 pi radius, while an 360 degrees was swept through. And using the angular displacement definition is theta equals arc of length over radians equals 2 pi r or radians over radians. So, natay 2 pi radians. So, then, 360 equals 360 degrees equals 2 pi radians. Then, 1 radian. So, ang kibali, ang imong cycle or imong number of cycles sa circle is natay 360. So, 1 radians equals 360 degrees over 2 pi equals 57.3 degrees. So when an object makes one complete revolution, it sweeps out an angle of 360 degrees or 2 pi radians. 1 radian is the angle of which the arc has the same length as the radius r. So we have 1 radians over equals 57.3 degrees. So the radians is frequently abbreviated as radians. So let's move on to angular velocity. So when we say angular velocity, it is measures how fast rotation occurs. So I have a sample problems here of angular velocity. So if an object travels around the circle with an angular displacement of 70.8 radians in 3.0 seconds, what is its angular velocity? So atong ipangita is angular velocity. So we have the given. So let's write first the given. So we have the theta is the 70.8 radians and the time is 3.0 seconds. So in order to kuha this, so namatay formula, we have the formula equals theta over time. So we have, ato na siyang i-divide. So makakuha ta og 23.6 radians. So yan na ang